Hello everyone, happy to find you on this channel. Today I'm going to share with you my COVID protection kit. I got this kit from Go Airline while traveling in one of my flight. This includes one mask, a good quality one, and a small bottle of hand sanitizer which is of 30 ml. Don't worry, this small bottle is enough to sanitize your hands during flight. And a plastic shield. These plastic shields play a very important role while you are traveling because it protects you from sneeze and cough droplets. On the back side of this shield, there is a white plastic rubber which help you to tie this shield on your head. And this spongy kind of thing I'm marking here provides cushion to your forehead so that it may not cause any headache to the person. So I request you all to please use this kit before boarding to